So I didn't mention it earlier, but here's the oil change kit that you order. I got it from Amazon for a pretty good price, but it has everything you need. Oil filter, and then replacement crush washer. Alright, so we're going to change the oil on the jet motor. So after removing the top off, you pull a lever here and the top cover comes off. Remove it, and now here we got our oil filter. Right down here is the drain plug. So it's just to get like a tube so that you can drain it without getting all over the place. So then once we drain it out, replug it, change the oil filter, then we'll add the oil in. Make sure you take out the crush washer. It might be up in there real good. So just stick your finger in there. It should come out loose. And then replace with the washer that it comes with. And since you already changed the oil, you might as well just go ahead and grease the lower as recommended by the manufacturer.